Hey, what's up guys? I've got some sad news, and this closer is dead. I'm quite upset about it. This was my third ever closer. It's leaked, but it's not because it's been outside. I stupidly, as you can see, put a screw in there, and it was a little bit longer than the length of how far this goes in. So what I think I've done, I've pierced into the actual closer where the hydraulics are. In fact, actually, that's where the valves are, so I've definitely pierced the inside of that. And the closer is dead. So I'll do the cycle. It won't leak right now because the screw's in, but if I take out the screw, it will squirt everywhere. I've got a video of it right here, which I'll play for you now. Oh, the sound, that's the sound I heard. I'll do one more, then I'm done. Oh. Yeah, I'm probably going to put that screw back in. Yeah. But, yep, it's dead. It's all wet. I think that is... No, that is the hydraulics. Oh, yeah, it is. If I show you. Now, I'm not going to be throwing this closer away. I will not be doing that. I'm still going to keep it. But, if I show you. See that? Should not even be making that sound. But yeah, it's just dead. I can't believe it. I paid £70 for this. Was it £71 I bought this for? This was actually a complete accident of me buying this closer. I was actually meant to buy a Briton 2003V, but I bought the wrong model, but I still kept it. And now it's dead. This cover is not original, as you can see. There's rust marks in there, but there'll probably be new rust marks soon because you can see the hydraulic oil. It was leaking right through there. In fact, that leaked in the exact same spot of when, because this cover came from a broken, leaky Briton 2003V, which is not this one. It's a V version of this one, which actually has more features. I think it has back check and stuff, but it leaked from this exact spot. But yeah, it's dead. And like I said, I'll be keeping it, but for now, I've had to put another closer on the gate, and it is my Eclipse 73. It has been on there before, and that should last, because this one, what it is, the reason why I use different screws, it's because I actually lost the original Briton 2003 V screws. Even if I did have them, I rounded the inside, so it wouldn't actually really screw in anyway, because the amount of times I taken the cover off and unscrewed it and stuff. But yeah, I'll be keeping the closer. I'll be getting another one of these because my friend, which is Mr. G, I think that's his name on YouTube, he's given me all of his old door closers because he's going to buy brand new ones. And one of the ones he has is the exact model of this. So I'll be getting another one of them. This time, not using long screws, because as I've just learned, and I didn't even know it leaks from here, is to not put a long screw in there. So yeah, I'll know that for next time. So hopefully I don't destroy that Briton. But yeah, I can't even put the cover on because that's screwed. Unless, there we go. That's as close as I can get it on. But yeah, it's a shame really. Is that a squeak? Did that thing just squeak? Should be squeaking from there. I'll do one more cycle, but I'm gonna leave it after this. Whoops. But yeah, gonna go now, guys. So, RIP to the Briton 2003 V. Be getting a new one, like I said. No, I'm not gonna do the same thing. I'll put a clip up of my Eclipse on, but this is the speed I've decided to have it as. Yeah. Anyway, bye guys.